happening, guys? Anthony here for the Wall Street Bull and Earn Curve. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm coming to you from the beautiful backyard at the moment. It's beautiful and warm here in Melbourne today. It's going to be an absolute scorcher at 40 degrees, which is going to be crazy. So I'm filming on my iPad because it's still on Christmas vacation holidays. Anyway, there's been a lot going on in the crypto market, so we'll get into it straight away. Coming over here to coin market cap, we do have significant gains, which is nice. $3.21 trillion at $123 billion in volume, which is really nice to see that. Coming down here, we have $389 million of ETF inflows. And as you can see, we've had the 2nd of January at 645 million. And of course, we had the 5th of January sitting at $389 million. And Bitcoin is still dominating right here at 58%, which is pretty crazy to see that. Coming over here, 49 out of the fear and greed index, we're at neutral, which is really nice to see. That is really, really good to see that. Coming over to the full view of my watch list, Bitcoin is at 93,000 US dollars. It did hit 94 earlier this morning here in Australia, which is really cool. Ethereum sitting at 3,200. XRP is at $2.37. It is up 12.44%. Really cool. Dogecoin at 15 cents. We have Cardano at 42. Chainlink sitting at $13. Stellar XLM sitting at 25 cents. Sui at $1.96. Does anyone hold Sui? Let me know in the comments. Litecoin sitting at $83. Hedera 13 cents. Shiba Inu, I'm still holding that. VeChain, gosh, it's 6.75%, which is amazing. This has done nothing for like 4 years. XDC also $1.36. I wish it was $1. Sitting at 5 cents, which is nice. Very, very cool. Earn Curve, my spot crypto exchange. If you haven't registered, go do that. Sign up, earncurveinvest.com, KYC, and I will apply a 10% discount to your trading fees. Also, for those of you that have joined, thank you very much. If you haven't KYC, do that because you will get a discount, of course. And also, join the mailing list, guys, for Earn Curve. I love to send emails out all the time to everyone, as well as dividend investing. I've been sending a couple of dividend investing tips for you guys to get into Money Never Sleeps, my dividend investing book. So go join that. And of course, to set up everything on Octobot, because my bots are in the green at the moment, there is a full multi-bot video here on, of course, earncurveinvest.com. So everyone knows how to set up everything properly. This took me a long time to record and timestamp. So go watch it. Full instructional guide on how to do this. Coming over to, of course, Earn Curve, the exchange, so you guys can see what is going on here. I do have my XRP grid bots and the Bitcoin, Solana, XLM as well, and Ethereum grid bots trading at the moment. As you can see on the orders, there's been a few sales made today, which is really cool to see this. I'm just moving my head around, which is hilarious. There's been a few sales, as you can see. Gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orders on the exchange, which is really cool. And of course, Octobot is doing insanely well also. I'll show you these, guys. As you can see, my XRP bot trading non-stop. I don't know why it hasn't translated. Let me just translate this to English. Anyway, there we go. You can see all of the sales right here, and it is monitoring the markets with, of course, artificial intelligence. So you don't have to touch anything with this. You let it trade for you. This is the beautiful thing about Octobot and why I partner with these guys. They're incredible. And you will get a discount, by the way, on the software. Use the discount code QUICKLION. It is in the video description. As you can see, my Ethereum bot's up 3.67%. My Stellar bot's up 4.52%. Bitcoin is up 6.28%. XRP is up 7.94%. And the Solana one as well is up 4.73%. Really, really cool, guys. So you can trade as many of these as you like. However, I will say that you don't need multiple bots for the same coin. Sorry, my watch is talking to me. You don't need multiple bots for the same coin. So there is a limit of 50 orders on the exchange per coin. So if you are trading with 3 bots on XRP, it will obviously cause an error on the exchange because it just won't be able to process them. So keep that one in mind. You can adjust all of these bots, by the way, with the artificial intelligence. If you come over to little squares over here, if you scroll up, you can generate with AI, and you can create your own strategy And make sure you put, of course, a grid strategy on earn curve on the spot market, USDT XRP or Ethereum USDT or Bitcoin USDT. You can do whatever you like with this and play around with it and have fun with it. All right, so pretty cool. My bots are working for me perfectly, and you can just simply select them. If you come over here to the little compass symbol, really straightforward. As you can see right here, there's many different strategies. Let's just come over here, come up to exchanges, go to earn curve. Let me just scroll down here, and there's heaps in here. My iPad's a little bit squished at the moment, but Top Coins Accelerator bot is a DCA strategy. So again, it's really good to diversify into that. And of course, you've got long-term grids, you've got short-term grids, whole heap of stuff you can play around with. So go check it out. It's really, really cool. Anyway, moving on, let's go to the XRP Insights. This is a really cool website. I'm not paid to, of course, promote this in any way. I just love it because it's awesome. There is $64.4 million in volume, $772 million XRP, I should say, locked in the vaults. That is significant. Canary's leading the pack still at 175. Really, really nice to see that. 136 for 21 shares. Bitwise 132. Franklin Templeton 123. Grayscale's 122 also. Really, really nice. And yes, XRP jumped 12% to reach its highest level since mid-November, which is really, really bullish. Really, really nice to see that. And XRP led the gains into the wider crypto market on Tuesday, supported by strong trading volume and ETF flows. Analysts said traders can expect that XRP to see wider adoption in the coming year and are seeking to expand their crypto exposure beyond Bitcoin and Ether, which is really, really bullish to see that. Now, again, SBI Holdings is really, really bullish. Of course, on Ripple, they have been partners for many, many years. They did fund their original seed round. You can go look it up. Really, really nice. Needless to say, this is what the CEO of SBI has said, referring to Ripple investment in crypto ecosystem that currently play a part in a pillar of SBI's group earnings right here, which is huge news. And this validates the financial giant's financial strategy that was originally developed years ago. Really, really nice to see this. And Ripple Ads has matured into a core driver of the company's profitability. This is just going to be one of many, many companies. We've gone through, of course, the ETF inflows for XRP. Now, Tom Lee saying that the 4-year super cycle is going to be, hitting this year, which is really nice. And I do apologize about these pop-ups. Anyway, I'm not going to read this too much because, again, it's frustrating. But basically, by the, mid to end of this year, Bitcoin is definitely going to be hitting that $200,000 to $250,000 mark easily. There are tailwinds to this as well, which is basically what this article says. Things are building right now. There's a lot of positivity in the United States, of course, with President Trump and a pro-crypto SEC. Things are building very nicely. And this one I wanted to show you guys, but this is huge because I will be adding this in my stock portfolio. And if you haven't gone to Get Money Never Sleeps, go get that. Been emailing a lot of people about that on EarnCurve's email list, so go join up. Ethereum payout marks the first time the US spot crypto product has distributed protocol level income to investors. This is massive, absolutely massive. And Grayscale distributed Ethereum staking rewards to its holders of its ETHE product. That's the ticker symbol. Shareholders will receive 8 cents per share from rewards earned from October last year. So that would be paid out as like a distribution or a dividend. Move follows inroads in regulatory clarity around staking under the US securities laws. Can't wait for multiple ETFs to do this because I will be adding more to my stock portfolio. Coming over to X, let me bring this up here, guys. Let me just open this up. Thank you to those 9,100 people. Silver is going crazy at the moment. It's massively going nuts yet again. $90 US, which is roughly around about 117, 120 Australian dollars, which is wild. Tesla is up 100% since Tim Walsh made fun of the stock's decline. There you go. And yes, President Donald Trump just, posted this on Truth Social. It is one of the greatest Bitcoin explanations of all time. I'm not sure if I can play this right now because it will have a panic attack. But anyway, my recording software is not that great on the iPad. Paul Barron and Steve McClurg right here, Canary Capital. Utility tokens will outperform Bitcoin. We've known this for years. XRP, XLM, Hedera, IOTA, Algorand, XDC, Ethereum, as much as I don't like it, and Solana. Definitely ones to keep an eye out for. $250 billion added to the crypto markets so far in 2026. So that is significant. Gone through the XRP ETFs as well. Bitcoin did surge above 94,000 US dollars, which is really cool to see that, and it has had a pullback. But again, let's see what happens at market open tonight. The smartest man in the world with an IQ of 276 says the super cycle has started now. That is bullish. Moving down right here, American Bitcoin right here has increased its Bitcoin reserves, which again is, essentially Eric Trump, his Bitcoin company, which is amazing, doing a very similar thing to, of course, Strategy. And yes, speaking of Strategy, Michael Saylor did buy 1,287 Bitcoin to increase its reserves by $62 million. Now holds $2.25 billion. Is he going to be the wealthiest man in the world? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but it's unbelievable to see what he's doing with Bitcoin. That is it, guys, for today. Thank you very much. Go join EarnCurve, my spot crypto exchange, KYC, and I will apply a 10% discount and get trading with the Octobots. Really, really bullish, guys. As you can see right here, if I just go to my home page, you can see they're all in the green. Very, very nice. Anyway, take care of yourselves, guys. I'll be back with a YouTube short tomorrow. Got a pretty hectic day, and stay bullish. Any questions, just email me at earncurveinvest.com. Balls. Take care of yourselves and go get a copy of Money Never Sleeps. Peace out. Bye.